Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to save your own templates in FL Studio 20. If you're not doing this yet, this is going to save you a bunch of time, and you definitely should be doing this to get you into starting creating your beats a whole lot whole lot faster than, you know, starting with like a blank default pattern. I don't know why anyone would do that. I see a lot of people doing that. I just think that's long. It's much better to have a template that starts with the stuff that you're most likely to use, and then you can just change that from there. That's how I operate with my video editing. That's how I operate with everything. Basically, I do something once, I create a template, and then it's easier to do from then on. So if you don't know who I am already, I'm Jay Carter Ray from jcarterray.com, teaching you how to be better at YouTube marketing, online business, and music production. This channel right here is the #1 best channel for creative people or musicians who want to be entrepreneurs and don't want to be starving artists. Yeah, this is the place for you, because I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that with the YouTube marketing and online business, and, you know, helping you get better at music and that sort of stuff if you are a musician. So let's get into it. It's really easy to do this. Actually, it's not like a long thing. All you need to do is first create your template. So I do like a little bit of a mixing template, maybe like you got some of your EQs and different effects that you usually have on. You know what, I just do this after you make a beat. Delete all the patterns, turn off all the inserts and all that sort of stuff, and then just save it as a template, and then you can just edit it from there if need be in the future, and edit it into the template that it needs to be. So we delete all the patterns, blah blah blah. You know how it is. You know how to delete patterns at this point. And then I would first of all go to pattern 1, because whatever pattern you leave this on, that's the pattern that you're going to start in, and you generally don't want to be in pattern 11 when you start out your beat, which is what I've done before in one of my templates before I had to save over it. And then once you've deleted all your patterns, just go to save as. You can go to save new version. I just go to save as, actually, not even go to save new version, because if this is a beat that you've made already, you'd already have it saved as something else. So once you go to save as, we go to projects, and then we go into templates, and then you just name the template. You name it whatever you want. Let me just name this whatever Minger. And I know there's a spelling mistake there, but who cares, whatever, innit? So save it. And now we have created a template. So now if we go to new from template, we can go to whatever template is not currently there, because I'll need to close FL Studio and open it back up. I don't know if it's worth doing that to prove to you that this actually works. I think you can trust me in it. You can trust me because you can see that I've got other templates that are obviously not the standard. You know what, I'll do it. Let's close down FL Studio, and I'll open. No, I don't want to do that because it might mess up my mic stuff, so I have to leave that out. I'm sorry. I usually want to go through every single step so that you can see everything's proven, but I can't do that. But you can see that I've got other templates over here as well that I can go into, like my sound design template, my trap template, and just a template that I call template. And basically, when you create a template, yeah, if you then open up FL Studio in the future, it will use the last template that you actually opened. So you won't have to go to new from template after opening up FL Studio and all that sort of stuff. But I do suggest, yeah, that if you're using Omnisphere or Contact or any big plugins for your template, yeah, just get rid of them for your template so that you can add them in later. Otherwise, it takes a little while for FL Studio to load when you're loading those plugins at the same time. So you might want to do that. But if you're using Omnisphere and you're using a specific VST in every single song, then you might just be willing to deal with that loading part, because, you know, it is what it is. You're going to use the VST anyways. So that is how you create templates in FL Studio, and you definitely want to do this. It's going to save you a bunch of time just having your usual sounds in there, having everything set up correctly, everything on the right channel, so you don't have to do that every single time. Like if you set up a channel for your kicks, your keys, and all that sort of stuff, I need to create a better mixing template because I don't have like buses and all that sort of stuff. This is just basics. Don't copy this template. Don't copy my template. I'm just teaching you how to make your own and how to save your own. So definitely do that. Definitely create your own template. I may put some downloadable templates out there at some point in time. Those will be on jcarterray.com. If you're interested in those, I'll leave a link to any templates that I've put out in the description, and I'll leave a link to basically a bunch of useful stuff in my description. So if you're interested in maybe getting the same tools that I use to make music, if you're interested in checking out my beats, checking out my website, checking out my sound packs and all that sort of stuff, link in the description. Definitely click on that. And if you are interested in the 5 most important steps to YouTube success, I've got a free course for you in the description down below that will teach you how I was able to use YouTube to go full-time and be able to pursue what I want, basically. So if that's interesting to you, if you want to promote your music, if you want to build an audience, if you want to make money from your art, go through that course so you can understand how it's actually done. And also you'll be added to my daily email list where I'm sharing even more gems and giving you more insight into how it's possible and how you can actually do this sort of stuff. So if that's interesting to you, sign up for that course. If it's not interesting to you, don't sign up for it. My question of the day is, what are the 3 most important parts of your template in FL Studio? Let me know in the comment section down below. It might help some other newbies get started in making their template better, and it might help me make my template better, to be honest. My template's okay, but obviously I can always learn and I can always improve. I'm always out here ready to soak up knowledge, so let me know in the comment section down below. And with that, I want to thank you for watching. In the next video, you're going to learn more about YouTube marketing, online business, and music production. I'll see you there. Peace out.